Welcome to Fuzzy Fin Playroom. Huh? What? Who is that? Huh? Who is that? What? Whoa! Hello guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Finn and my friends calls me Fuzzy Fin. I'm so happy that you have found my playroom. So we can all play together now. Let's take a look around. Follow me, come on! As you can see, my playroom is quite empty. But I have my friend Alex and all the tools that we need to create an awesome place for us to play together. It will be awesome if you would like to help us. Hey! Let me introduce you to my best buddy, Mr. Alex!
Hello everybody! My name is Mr. Alex and I like to help our friend Fuzzy Fin with his ideas. As you can see, I have a little injury here. So please be careful with all the tools that we will use. Let me show you some of them. Here are the scissors. Also the scalpel, which is quite sharp. It would be awesome to find an adult to help you. Otherwise, take your time and be careful. Okay, what we will make for our Fuzzy Fin's playroom? Do you have any idea? I'm sure that I'm stuck, but I know who can I ask to help us. Hey Fuzzy! Hey Fuzzy!
Hey Mr. Alex! I heard you talking with our friend. I have an idea. I love slides and castles. And you won't believe it. I found a picture of it on the internet.
Finn, that's a great idea. Of course we can make it. Please show me the picture. I cannot wait to see it.
Take a look.
Wow! I have an idea how to make it.
I am so glad that you like it.
It's awesome. I love it. Okay, I'm totally ready for our project. From the image that Fuzzy Fin have found, I have created 6 separate drawings that we will be using in the process of making.
Hey Mr. Alex, what is this? What, so many papers? What are these drawings? Oh my! It looks too complicated.
Relax, Fuzzy. I'm sure this will be fine.
Are you sure about this, Mr. Alex?
I will do all the work. You can just sit and relax.
But these papers, I don't understand them. I'm feeling dizzy. Oh, Mr. Alex.
Oh, Fuzzy, are you okay? Let me help you.
Okay, slowly.
Just go over there, please. Take a seat.
Oh my, I didn't see that coming. I don't know why he was afraid of this, but this will be an easy peasy job.
First thing first, we need a box. And I have one. And it is an awesome box. Take a look at it. This box is perfect. And there is another thing that is perfect and is just coming right around the corner. And I know a little magic. Yes, magic. Just watch how this box will turn itself into a cutting pieces. Check this out. 3, 2, 1, nice!
Hey, what is this? You made something and it looks like a door. Are you sure I can fit through it? It looks tiny.
Don't worry, Finn. I took all the measurements. You remember the papers?
Oh yes, that was when I fainted.
Hey, you want to choose some colors for the walls? Can you help me?
Which colors? Please show me.
I have 2 shades of blue, light and dark blue.
I want to see these colors.
Please choose this or this one.
No, I don't like
this color. You don't like?
No.
Okay, let me remove it.
This is the one.
Right?
Yes, it is amazing color. I love it.
Okay, Finn, we're ready. This is some cool trick that I want to teach you.
If you have a lot of parts to cut, but not a lot of time to measure,
you can place an object on a paper and trace it closely to its edges. In that way, you will be much faster with your creation. Take a look, how quickly was that? And now I'm feeling magically. 3, 2, 1. Oh, I love my magic skills.
This is the next one in the line. We need a cardboard,
A pencil,
a scissors,
a scalpel,
and ruler, of course. Oh, look at you! You're so busy! Who's gonna play with me now? Oh! Be careful with that ruler, you're gonna hurt somebody!
It's scissor time! Remember, be careful with this. Slowly follow the line and cut it all the way to the second line. Okay, let's try with the larger scissors. Oh yes, it's much easier. Take a look. For this one, I will use scalpel. You see, you can also use scalpel, but please be careful. It's very sharp. There is also a small one, but it's not any less sharper than the larger one. You only have to follow these lines and you will be done. Voila! It is done.
Hey! You done all this work and cut only one piece? What is wrong with you? I am bored. I want to play with you. Come on. What are you doing here?
Fuzzy, I need to concentrate.
It is time for hot glue.
Be very careful. Carefully putting them together. And done! Take a look.
Oh wow! I can see the castle! Good job, Mr. Alex! You're doing great!
Fuzzy Finn likes it. He's an impatient little fella.
To speed up the process, I have already cut this paper. And now we need a glue to connect these two. Watch your fingers!
Take a look this beauty. Just follow the lines and as I said, be careful with the scalp.
Oh, I know this one! This is where the castle will be on, right? I can't wait to see the rest! Kaboom! 1, 2, 3, 4. This is hot! Oh, it's so heavy!
Oh, Fuzzy!
Mr. Alex, can you help me, please?
Okay,
Take this one first, please.
let me fix your hair.
Yeah, my hair is messed up, haha! Take this one also.
Okay, this one also.
I hope you liked it.
Good job, my friend. You're a great helper, you know.
I will come back with some more I prepared for you. Watch out! Here they come!
Whoa, good job, buddy. I love this work you done for me.
I was so busy working with this one. Do you like them?
Thank you very much.
If there is anything else that I can do for you, just tell me, please. I would like to help you.
Yes, okay, I have this one. And this piece also, okay. Okay. What? What? Fuzzy? Oh my god.
Just to fix this
You
line.
already drew all this for me.
Oh, yes.
Wow.
Yes. Do you like it?
This is amazing.
I really want to help you. And this one. Okay, everything is done. Hey, you liked it?
I didn't know that you can draw like this.
Yes, I know I can draw. I was looking from you and I learned.
Thank you very much.
See you later. Whoa, just look at it. It's slowly coming together. Soon I will play with this castle slide. Yay! Woohoo!
These are the pieces for our stairs. Let me shake them a little bit. Whoa! I will use some of my magic.
You've done in stairs already. You're speeding up, right? I see that you want to play as well.
These pieces will become a pillar of our castle slide. And voila! The pillar and the stand are glued together. The structure is quite safe, but I've added vertical supporting beams. Now it's time for our castle walls. Castle walls are done as well, but there is no castle without guarding walls. Just to put the stairs and slide and we are done. Whoa, it's amazing!
1 step, 2 steps, 3 steps, and hop. Wow, it's so gorgeous inside. Wow, Mr. Alex, you've really done a great job. I cannot wait no more. I need to get in.
Okay, slowly, watch your head. Watch your head. Okay, come in. Yes, that's it. Okay. Good job.
My playroom have castle slide. I'm so happy. Woo! I love it. I love it. Thank you, Mr. Alex. Guys, if you liked our castle slide as much as we do, give us a like and subscribe to our channel. In the next one, we will be making more toys for our playroom. So come and join us to have some fun. Until then, love you all and
Bye
see
bye.
ya!